Ever pondered the limitations of your current gaming peripherals? The rigidity, the lack of personalization, the one-size-fits-all design that doesn't quite fit all? Fret not, for the future of gaming peripherals is here, and it's bound to reshape your gaming experiences. Imagine a world where your gaming peripheral is not just an instrument, but an extension of yourself, a device that adapts to your unique style and needs. Welcome to the era of the customizable gaming controller, a specialized input device that incorporates intelligent computing techniques for adaptive user interfaces and haptic feedback. This isn't just any gaming peripheral, it's an evolution, a revolution, if you will. It's a device that respects your individuality, acknowledging that every gamer has a unique play style, a distinct set of preferences. With its fully customizable design, this controller molds itself to your hand, your grip, your style, becoming a seamless part of your gaming experience. But it's not just about aesthetics and comfort. It's about performance, precision, and power. The adaptive user interface of this controller learns from your gaming habits, optimizing button layouts, sensitivity settings, and control schemes to match your style. No more adapting to the game. Now the game adapts to you. And then there's the haptic feedback, a feature that truly immerses you in the game, making every hit, every explosion, every thrilling moment feel real. Imagine feeling the recoil of a gun, the rumble of a car engine, or the impact of a punch all through your controller. It's not just gaming anymore, it's experiencing. So what sets this gaming peripheral apart? It's the personalization, the adaptability, and the immersive experience it offers. It's a controller that acknowledges and adapts to your uniqueness, a device that learns and evolves with you. No longer are you limited by rigid designs and generic control schemes. With this controller, you're in control. In summary, this unique gaming peripheral is a game changer. It's a customizable controller that adapts to your unique style, offering an adaptive user interface and haptic feedback for a truly immersive gaming experience. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of you. It's not just a game, it's an experience. And it's not just the future, it's here and now. Game on, innovators. Game on.